Sony is once again set to launch a new phone with an innovative concept, the Sony Xperia 1G. This time, Sony has blended elements from previous concepts with new enhancements and improvements. The company has clearly kept the user's needs and expectations in mind. So, let's talk about this phone and see what's new, and whether it will win over users or not. Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. When it comes to design, the Sony Xperia 1G is a visual masterpiece. It features a stunning 6.7-inch 4K OLED HDR display that offers an incredibly sharp and vivid viewing experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a 21:9 cinema-wide aspect ratio, this phone is made for movie lovers, gamers, and multitaskers alike. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or switching between apps, everything feels smooth and immersive. Plus, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection ensures that the device is as tough as it is elegant. The sleek matte black finish adds a premium touch that truly makes it stand out. Now let's talk about performance, because power matters. The Xperia 1G is equipped with the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which brings flagship-level speed and efficiency. Paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, you can expect a seamless experience whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or running multiple heavy apps at once. Everything runs smoothly, with no signs of lag or slowdown. Let's talk about the camera, one of Sony's strongest points. The Xperia 1G comes with a powerful triple-lens setup that includes a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP periscope telephoto. This versatile combo allows you to capture breathtaking landscapes, detailed portraits, and distant zoom shots with amazing clarity. With Sony's advanced AI-powered optics and real-time focus tracking, every photo looks like it was taken by a professional. And for selfie lovers and vloggers, the 32MP front camera supports 4K video recording, ensuring crystal clear results no matter the lighting. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Xperia 1G packs a solid 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of intense use. It supports 65W fast charging, so you're back to full in no time. Plus, with wireless and reverse wireless charging options, you'll stay powered up wherever you go without the hassle of cables. In the end, the Sony Xperia 1G is shaping up to be a true flagship contender. With its cinematic display, powerhouse performance, professional-grade camera system, and reliable battery life, it's clear that Sony has taken the user experience seriously. But the real question is, will this be the smartphone that finally brings Sony back into the spotlight? That's for you to decide. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome smartphone content. Thanks for watching.